Okay. So I think I'm gonna start something like the Lazy Girl's Guide to Eating Healthy because that's pretty much my goal every week. Stay on the healthy track, but also know that I'm not gonna spend a half an hour in the kitchen doing anything to get there. Don't get me wrong, love cooking. Cooking for myself is boring though. It's like cooking is a love language, and oh, that just got deep. Cooking is a love language, and I don't cook for myself usually. Just gonna bypass that. So I got the grocery store nearby, Wegmans, has, I don't even know, I think they call them easy meals or something. It's literally like, it says calorie per serving 210, but like, how much is the serving? I gotta figure that out. And then I don't know, scrolling through something and saw sweet potatoes. I was like, ooh, that sounds good. I'm not gonna cut sweet potatoes. Not gonna do it. I don't know why. They just feel so difficult to manage. But Wegmans has them already diced up. So how long do you let it cook these for? 400, 25 to 30 minutes. That's what you. Oh, that's perfect. I didn't even plan that on purpose. Woo, woo. We'll report back. Hopefully it's good and easy. Okay, still here. Food's in the oven, 20 minutes. And I don't have sweet potatoes on my list anymore for food this week. I just heard it sounded like someone was in my house. They're not. It's just they're really squeaky upstairs. There are people that live upstairs. It's not haunted. There's an apartment up there. Just to clarify. So I don't the point. I don't have sweet potatoes on my list anymore this week. And I just got a new vacuum sealer, which makes me feel like such a grown up. And if we're being honest, I think I'm recording this because I'm avoiding doing my therapy homework. Does potatoes have an E or is potatoes one without the E? Oh, hold on. So, it just says sweet potato. We'll Google that later. One of them, tomatoes and potatoes. Oh, wait, I have tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes has the E. Potatoes does not. How much was that? 6.5. So I'm pre-weighing them so that future Angela doesn't have to worry about it. So, as I was saying, I am avoiding my therapy homework. I put it on my to-do list. Potato. On Friday, I planned out a. My best friend just texted me because I told her that I designed my next tattoo, which was a way for me to avoid what I needed to do this morning. But I designed it, and I'm just now calling out my irrational thoughts. So I texted her and I said, I have my tattoo or like I designed my tattoo, something like that. And then I followed up with, and I'm anxious to send it to you because I feel like you're going to judge me. And I said, this is just what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to call out these irrational thoughts because I can't think of a legitimate reason that she would judge me for a tattoo. And she basically just called me out and was like, I never judge you ever. And then also said, I want to see the tattoo now. Okay, so it's done. I've started eating on my real plates recently. Again, lazy girl. I just don't want to do the dishes, so I use a paper plate. But I've started eating on like real plates and in real bowls lately. What am I looking for? A knife. I feel fancy. I feel like maybe that's why I started referring to myself as an adult. So, gonna eat and stop avoiding writing the letter to my biological dad. It's gonna be a fun night. I just cut into my pork chop, and I don't understand the point of putting stuffing in a pork chop because as soon as you cut into it, it unstuffs itself. So now I have like a blob of stuffing on the side, and then a pork chop with minimal stuffing in its crevices. And now I feel like I have to work harder for my food because I have to get a bite of stuffing and then get a piece of the pork chop just so that I'm eating it correctly as the taste profile. I don't know. But now I have 2 steps. Actually, like 3 because I have to cut it. So I have to cut it, then I have to get some stuffing, then I have to get the pork chop, and then I can eat it. Like, it feels too high maintenance for me right now.